Guys, in this video you'll learn how to make a simple Wikipedia browser with Python. Now we are importing time and Wikipedia module. Now we are making a function named browser. Now we are setting up a try except concept inside our function to avoid different kinds of problem. Using user variable, we are taking the topic which the user want to search. We are using x as a variable which will take our language input. We can use different kinds of languages, but in this video we will use only 4 languages. Now we are setting the conditions of the Wikipedia module. Language is very important in this module. We must use wikipedia.summary. If we don't use it, then the software will not work. Now we are closing our try except concept. Let's take user opinion. He wants to use our software or he do not like to use our software. Now we are using here if else statement. If user opinion is yes, then we are setting up a infinitive loop, means while true, and then we are running the function. If user opinion is no or anything other, then the software will show him, thank you sir, you can leave the software. That means we will request him to quit our software. Let's run our code. Let's say yes. Oh shit, there is something problem inside our code. We need to paste it below the code. Now we have to remove it. Let's run our code. Now we are saying yes. PEN. I want to search in French. FR. Oh shit, my mobile data is off. I need to turn it on. Let's again I search in French. After turning on my mobile data, it is running properly. Let's enhance the beauty of our software. Now we will set up time.sleep to take some time. We will also add some other objects which will improve the look of our software. Let's make an object like loading. Now we're setting times to 1 second. Here 1 is meant by 1 second. Now I need to have a look in the loading object which I made in the code. Sorry, I said it as an object, but it is not an object. It is a kind of decorator. Now we are trying to take more space. Oh, sorry, I have write in different place. Oh, I need to write it beside topic. Let's run our code. I said yes. Now I am searching mobile. EN. It's showing that it is loading. I think the topic which I searched is related to my IDE. That's why it is showing this problem. Let's search again about teacher. BN. It's loading. Yes, our software is successfully running. Let's run our software again. Now we will say no. Yes, our software is successfully running. Now we can use it.
What?